Taunini ya Olkalau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua nikuo atongoria kiama kia KNUT maragomanite niguo gucira na guthugunda mitaratara ngurani ya kugacirithia murutire wa wira wa arutani. Makiaria thutha wa mucemanio ucio atongoria kiama giki matariirie maundu matiganite maria thirikari ireka mugaru na wendi wao ta guthamiria motungata ma urigiti kuri mubango wa SHA.
Additional gain that the teachers can get is also given to the teachers. So we will be very stringent in our monitoring what is happening with the medical scheme from the point of inception, so that we ensure that the quality services are given to our teachers. We don't want situations whereby our teachers will not get services measuring to what they were getting in the existing medical scheme. It should be either within the same level or enhanced so that our teachers can feel safe.
Mathenge wa Jaure ni mwandiki wa kiama giki gitaro-ini kia gatagati wa bururi atariirie na kuria thirikari kuhingia kiiraniro kia nyongerera ya mishara na kuongerera namba ya arutani.
Twakiaririe horo wa promotion ituike ni kaundu kaumanirite biyo ati mwarimu munene wa primary school adakahingagiririo D1 auma D1 athie nginya D5 tondu nginya wira wake ni wingihite muno ni undu wa kurugamirira nginya mathukuru maria metagwo junior secondary junior school maria metagwo junior school tondu head teachers yecho no marugamagirira mathukuru macio uguo mahingurirwo nigetha mathie nginya D5.
Maugite ni magutindika President William Ruto nginyagia maheo gicunje kia 20% kia nyumba ta uria mereirwo hamwe na kuhinyiriria thirikari itangikire moritu matiganite maria magomeire arutani.
Urge our teachers to register with the housing scheme. Every teacher get in whichever part of the republic where you are, register with the housing scheme through what we call Boma Yangu, so that we can follow up on the directives that the president had given of the 20% allocation for the teachers. It is through registration and then registering with our branch offices that will necessitate us to be able to follow up and ensure that we get our 20% allocation.
Kiama gia KNUT gitanyite gutabania ithurano cia gwetha atongoria a ikiro ngurani mwaka wa 2026, atongoria ya makiranira utheri na waragania mihango-ini iyo.
We shall never be divided. We shall never be divided.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma Olkalau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa WIRA.